Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you all these nice and fun home decor using items from the Dollar Tree and other places. Alright everyone, I have this paper towel holder here that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to be using the gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and some of the gems also. So let's get started on this DIY. Alright everyone, we have our rack here, and now we're just going to take the gold strips from our bling wrap, single strips that I cut out here, and we're just going to wrap them going all around this shape here with our hot glue gun. And you can use any kind of adhesive that you'd like to use to glue this down, but for this purpose I will be using the hot glue gun. And now that we've got the shape all blinged out, now we're going to go right round this little circle that's at the bottom, again with the bling wrap going all the way around. Alright everyone, now we are going to add some bling gems to our design. These little gems here from Totally Dazzled, I'll be adding them to our design to give it a nice little extra touch. You know I love these gems. And here's the finished look. Doesn't it look nice, you guys? Our paper towel holder now looks much better, all done up. I love how it looks in the gold. You can do it in silver or even in rose gold if you choose to. It's lovely. You buy a plain paper towel rack and bling it up, and it looks very nice. And this is nice to place within your washroom. It is very nice. Nowadays everybody has a paper towel in the washroom for your guests to dry their hands when they come over, and this looks absolutely lovely, all blinged out. See how it looks with the paper towel, everyone? I think it looks lovely. A nice piece of home decor for your washroom. It looks very nice. Alright everyone, now we're going to be on to our second DIY, which we will be blinging out these washroom items. And these items are from the Dollar Tree, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started on DIY number 2. Okay, we're going to start by decorating our soap dispenser that I got here. And I have these little round flower mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they have the little plastic over them, you guys. We won't be taking off the plastic from now. Leave it on while we do our decoration. So we're just going to use the hot glue and glue it down. And like I always say, you can use something stronger, any kind of adhesive, to glue it down. E6000, tacky glue, whichever you choose, but I'll be using the hot glue for now. And now we're going to be adding some gems to our design. And now we'll be decorating the second item with a smaller flower. Same thing with the plastic. We're going to leave it on for now and not taking it off. Now we're just going to glue it down. And now we're going to add some gems. And now we have our soap dish, and we're just going to be blinging out the bottom of the soap dish going all the way around. We have this candle holder here, and I just took one sheet of the bling wrap and wrapped it going around the top. And here is our soap dish that we blinged out. And we're just going to glue the two of them together. I'll be using hot glue, but you can use E6000 or any kind of tacky glue or anything like that that you'd like to use, and glue them together. And now I'll be adding a gem from Totally Dazzled to our soap dish. Alright everyone, now we're going to remove the plastic. Doesn't that look nice, you guys? A nice mirror. And then we're going to add our bling gem from Totally Dazzled. And the same thing here on our smaller container, and remove the plastic and add another bling gem. And here's our finished look for DIY number 2. I think our washroom accessories look very nice, all blinged out with the bling gems. And these these flower mirrored sheets from the Dollar Tree look super cute. And the gems from Totally Dazzled, you know I absolutely love them. Like I always say, anything that you add them to, make that item look extra nice. I really liked how they turned out. And the gems underneath the soap dish looks really nice also. A lovely piece of bathroom decor. So here we go with our lovely paper towel holder. And our lovely washroom decor. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our 2 lovely home decors that I did this time. Give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY that I love to share with you all. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye-bye.